Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we will present our magazine named The Transformation of Tomorrow. Our magazine are generally related to key attributes to survive in Industry 4.0. These are the group members who work together and contribute ideas to complete this task. My name is Nurafzan binti Madgani and I will start this presentation with an overview about the Industrial Revolution. There are 4 stages of Industrial Revolution. In this video, we will present the overview of Industrial Revolution 4.0, the key attributes, difficulties, and challenges while conducting the project, and the overall lesson learned from this project. The first Industrial Revolution happened in 1784 and followed the proto-industrialization period. It started at the end of the 18th century to the beginning of the 19th century. The most significant change came in the form of mechanization when people witnessed massive introduction of coal, along with the steam engine that was the first reason for creating the new type of energy that helped speed up and accelerate the economy. Following the first Industrial Revolution, almost a century later, we see the world go through the second Industrial Revolution. It started at the end of the 19th century. This revolution resulted in the creation of the internal combustion engine that started to reach its total potential. Other essential points of the second Industrial Revolution were the development of steel demand, chemical synthesis, and method of the communication such as the telegraph and the telephone. Another century passes and we witness the third Industrial Revolution in the second half of the 20th century. We see the emergence of another source of energy, which is nuclear energy. The third revolution brought the rise of electronic telecommunication and computers. Industry 4.0 started in the third millennium with one thing that everyone uses every day, the internet. The fourth Industrial Revolution shaped the world. It has so much promise that it can also increase global income and exchange people around the globe quality of life.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and good day to all of you. By the way, I am Muhammad Faiz bin Azman Shah. Now I will explain a little more on one of the main point in our topic, which is the key and attribute to Industrial Revolution, the fourth Industrial Revolution, IR 4.0. Whether we are aware or not, technology is advancing right now. Actually, in the last few decades, the world went through a massive change thanks to the fast technology development. In only a few decades, humanity went from automatic process in fabric over global transport connection to full digitalization. Today, self-driving cars are reality, although once upon a time it seems like a science fiction. That was only 20 years ago. With the fourth Industrial Revolution in the air, the market has never been so demanding. The fourth Industrial Revolution is characterized by a fusion of technologies that is blurring the line between the physical, digital, and biological sphere, and people can witness how much these spheres are intertwined today and how much they affect people's life. We also can see almost everything is transformed today. Food is being ordered online, everything is streaming, even our schedule with a doctor appointment is online. people are connected on social media and online communities are built. In a nutshell, everything can be done remotely nowadays. Since the fourth industrial revolution is already happening, we need to deal with numerous challenges and opportunities. The fourth industrial revolution has so strong potential that it can even raise global income level and improve the quality of life to the people all over the world. However, to use the very best form of this new wave, we need to learn how to deal with challenge and opportunities. Moreover, we have to learn how to be relevant to the job market in IR 4.0. Now, let's see what are the mandatory skills in this era of fourth industrial revolution. From our finding, there are 10 skill sets that we have to learn to survive in this new era, which are complex problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, people management, coordinating with others, emotional intelligence, judgment and decision making, service orientation, negotiation, and cognitive flexibility. Based on 10 suggested skill sets, we found that there are 4 major or vital key attributes to the Industrial Revolution 4.0. The first one is complex problem solving. Complex problem solving is the ability to create unique and creative solutions to various problems. So, how to learn complex problem solving? First, always think about the bigger picture. Secondly, keep it simple. Surprisingly, Smooth Move can help you develop this much needed skill, such as working on logic game and logic puzzle, keeping an idea journal, by being physical, practicing mind maps, and constantly visualizing problems. The next one is communication skill. Communication skill is the ability to communicate well with people from diverse backgrounds and deal with multiple stakeholders. There are 5 keys of communication skill in IR 4.0, which are ability to effectively speak with audience, ability to convey a clear written communication, ability to communicate with people from different backgrounds, ability to deliver presentation, and lastly is the ability to express own ideas and the ability to listen and give appropriate feedback. The third one is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and evaluate others. The most typical qualities that are linked to emotional intelligence are empathy and curiosity. This skill set is very important for us because it will differentiate us from artificial intelligent robots. Some people may have emotional intelligence as natural talent, while the others have to learn it. Luckily, it can be learned. Emotional intelligence can be learned through self-awareness, motivation, empathy, social skill, and self-regulation. The last one is cognitive flexibility. Cognitive flexibility is the ability to adapt our behavior and thinking in response to the environment. Cognitive flexibility occurs in two ways: the ability to think about multiple things at the same time, and the ability to modify thinking based on a change in expectation or demands. So, how to learn cognitive flexibility? Cognitive flexibility can be acquired through alter our everyday routines, new experience, by meeting new people, or transferring your learning, and even challenging your moral. To summarize all my points, the fourth industrial revolution brought numerous changes. In this era of technology and digitalization, it became more and more challenging for us to respond to job market needs. Therefore, we need to follow new trends, explore new jobs, and skills related to new job requirements. Self-awareness, or merely knowing that we know and how we learn, can help us work toward gaining the right skill and put us in the right direction. Hopefully, this may be an excellent opportunity for us to develop our skill to meet this market requirement.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good day to you, Doctor. My name is Nur Ain Wahab. We'll explain further about the difficulties and opportunities in IR 4.0. There are 4 difficulties and challenges in IR 4.0. The first one is a gap in technical skill. Are your employees able to keep up? When looking to fill open position, look for applicants who possess digital dexterity in that they understand both the manufacturing processes and the digital tools that support those processes. Only with the right workforce will business model be able to successfully implement new technology and maintain operations. The second one is data sensitivity. To successfully implement an AI algorithm, data is required to train it and test it. For this to happen, data must be shared. However, many companies are reluctant to share their data with third-party solution developers. Data is a powerful asset. Make sure to keep it secure. The next one is interoperability. Another significant issue is the lack of separation between protocols, components, products, and systems. Unfortunately, interoperability impedes company ability to innovate. Further, since they cannot easily swap out one vendor for another one or one part of the other system, interoperability also limits option to upgrade system components. The last one is threats. In terms of current and emerging vulnerabilities in factory are another significant concern. Companies are not fully prepared to deal with this security threat, with many relying on their technologies and solution providers to scope out vulnerabilities. Even though there are many challenges and difficulties in IR 4.0, there are some opportunities in this industrial revolution. The first one is optimize and automation to lead enhanced productivity. The second one is data in real-time data versus supply chain in real-time economy. It can also maintaining and monitoring possibility will enable greater business continuity. Can collaborate with robot will lead higher quality of product and to sustain better working conditions. And lastly, to earn trust and loyalty with the modern consumer with personalization opportunities.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nazib Abdurrahim. Today I will be presenting about the conclusion of IR 4.0. To summarize, Industrial Revolution 4.0 has played an important role for Malaysia towards the establishment of high technology industry. The Industrial Revolution led to many new theories like in social, economic and scientific area. The new scientific theories were mostly positive because many resulted in invention that improved the quality of life for most people. Here's the recap of Industry Revolution from 1.0 to 4.0. In conclusion, the Industrial Revolution did cause many bad things, but it did lead to wonderful inventions that still exist today and are very much useful. They have improved the way we all live today. Thank you.